guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I have a Shein try on haul for you guys. This is from their Curve line. I love Shein. You guys know I filmed a bunch of Shein hauls in the past, things I've purchased with my own money, but I'm excited to say that today's Shein video is in collaboration with Shein. So a huge thank you to Shein for collaborating with me on today's video and for sending over these really cute fun pieces. So can't wait to show you guys these items. Everything I talk about will be linked down below in the description box, along with the sizing, and I will link my jewelry that I have on today and my outfit in case you are interested. So yeah, let's get started with this try on haul. So let's start off with this beautiful maxi dress. The material on this one is very soft, it's lightweight, it's breathable. I love this maxi dress the most because I love every detail about it. So it has like a little crisscross neckline, and then it has these off the shoulder, like cold shoulder sleeves, so it just drapes beautifully over your arm. If your arm is something that you are concerned about, this definitely takes care of that area. This is something I personally struggle with, so I love dresses like this. I love the detail on that. Also, it does have a strap here, so it's still pretty comfortable, and these straps are adjustable, as you can see. I love everything about this dress. I love the length of it, and it has a little slit on the side, which I always find flattering. I think a slit that's at the right appropriate length just looks so chic. So I love this dress. The pattern does continue around on the back, and it does have this little belt right here, so you can cinch it in at your waist, creating a shape or emphasizing your already beautiful shape. So I love this dress, and for reference, I am 5 feet 4 inches. I am usually a size 14. I wear large, extra large, and for Shein pieces, especially, I always get a 1XL in most of my pieces, and it fits pretty true to size for a size 14. I feel like a goddess in this dress. When you're walking, the fabric moves so nicely against your body. It's so flowy, feminine, pretty. I love the print on it. I just love everything about this dress. Next up, we have this jumpsuit from Shein, which I absolutely love. This one is an off-the-shoulder jumpsuit as well. I mean, you could wear it on your shoulder as well if you like, but I love off-the-shoulder pieces in the spring and summertime. I think they just look very pretty, and they show off just a little bit of skin. So this one, again, is very lightweight. This part here is stretchy. This is in a 1XL as well, and I love it. I love the print. I love the subtle blue color. So the one I just showed you has like a darker blue in the background, and this one is just a pretty like periwinkle sky blue. I'm not really sure of the shade, but it's just beautiful. The pattern continues all the way around. Let me show you a closer look of the pattern. So that's what it looks like. Very pretty. This one is a little bit more on the see-through side, so I would suggest wearing some nude underwear under this. I always suggest to you guys to wear nude underwear, nude bras under your clothing pieces, so nothing really shows through, or if anything does, you can't really tell because of the nude under pieces. But I love the way this fits. It's super comfortable, lightweight. This is just perfect for any occasion, any outing. Like, this is the perfect like little brunch outfit because you can dress it up or you can wear it casually. Say for instance, you can just throw over a denim jacket like this. You can wear some heels if you want a more dressy look. You can wear flats with this, sandals. Like, it pretty much depends on how you're feeling that day. And also, it's perfect for brunch because it's not like tight on your body. So, you know, you go to brunch, you eat, you drink. This is the perfect outfit. Basically, this is the perfect outfit for anywhere you're going out to eat because it's super comfortable. You're not going to feel constricted. Even that beautiful dress that I just showed you, perfect for any occasion, or just perfect to wear out because you feel like wearing a pretty dress. I'm all for wearing what you love when you love it. I'm a strong believer in there doesn't have to be a special occasion to wear a pretty item, something that you just love and you're saving it. Like, what are you saving it for? Every day is special. If you feel like wearing that beautiful dress, or you just feel like wearing this to the grocery store, like, go ahead. It's super pretty. You feel good about yourself, and again, every day is special. Like, you deserve to feel good every single day. So next up, we have this very 90s inspired dress. So this dress you have to wear with a top underneath. This part here basically sits under your bust. I do have a top to go with this dress that I'm going to show you. I just love the way it looks. So this is definitely something I would have seen growing up. I didn't I was born in 1989, so I didn't really grow up that much in the 90s. I was a kid in the 90s, so I saw things, I remembered things, I watched a lot of TV shows, sitcoms, so I remember everything. My sisters grew up in the 90s, they're older than me, so they experienced the 90s as like a teenager, you know what I'm saying? I didn't. I was a small child, but I do remember the fashion, I do remember the clothing. It's still stuck in my head because of everything I saw on TV and because of my sisters. So this is definitely something I feel like I would have seen one of my sisters wear. So I picked this up. I love it. This material is very lightweight, very, very stretchy. I love that the string on top here is adjustable, so you can make it as long as you want. You can make it a little bit shorter. It really just depends on how you want to wear it. I love the solid black print and the floral pink flowers because it's a very subtle pink color. So the top that I got to go with this dress is super cute. So this is the top I decided to go with. I did size up in this to a 2XL because I was reading the reviews and a lot of people said to size up and run small, but I feel like it's a little bit too big for me now because I do have like a smaller waist. So this part here is a little bit big, so if you tend to have like a smaller waist, then stick to your regular size. But if your waist isn't smaller than the rest of your body, definitely size up because I feel like it would be small. But I got this top to go with it and I just think it's going to look beautiful together. So this top is an off the shoulder top. I love this type of sleeve, very, very pretty. The material feels very nice. It's very flowy, lightweight. The back of it is just pretty much plain, and it has this cute little detail here, so you can actually make this tighter. So if you like push it up and like tie it tighter, you can make it a little bit more cropped, or you can pull it down and make it as low as you like. Super pretty frill detail. It kind of reminds me of something I showed in my Amazon video, which I will link down below for you guys. Super similar, but I actually really like the quality of this shirt better than the Amazon one. This one feels much nicer, so love this. And this also comes in a white color as well. I might order the white one. I don't know, you guys, I just thought this would be the cutest outfit. I have it pictured in my head. Very 90s inspired, but very wearable today in 2021. Next up, we have this beautiful flowy lightweight skirt. Just the way the patterns and the skirt looks definitely reminds me of something I would have worn as like a preteen, or definitely reminds me of something my sisters wore as teenagers. So I had to get this. I love it. It's high-waisted. It does have like a little slit here. This one does have a little bit of a higher slit, so this is a very fun, flirty, cute outfit. I love it. Again, it is on the thinner side, so I would suggest to wear something under this, like some boy shorts or something like that. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Let me show you the print. So it does have some like orange in there. The flowers have white petals, orange petals. So very, very pretty. Again, all these pieces are perfect for the summertime because they're lightweight. They're not going to make you overheated or anything like that. This one does go down past my knees. So I do like the length of this, and I do like the added touch of the high slit here because I think it goes well with this skirt. And again, I think this blouse would work perfectly with this skirt. So you would have a high-waisted skirt and a little bit of a crop top, and I think that would make such a cute outfit. Throw on some platforms if you're really into the 90s style. Throw on some platforms, or just throw on some cute wedges. You can throw on some black sandals with this. I think this would be a fun like date night outfit, going out to eat, or like going to the movies if they open up the movie theaters, something like that, like a picnic. I think this would be perfect for that, like a day, kind of like a day date outfit. Very, very cute. So next up, we have a two-piece outfit which comes with this top and these pants. So this top is a little bit more on the cropped side. It's very, very cute. You guys know, if you've been watching my channel for a while, I love two-piece outfits because they're effortless and they make you look well polished and put together. So these are what the pants look like. They are more of a straight leg. They are super comfortable. Again, lightweight. The waist here is stretchy. Love stretchy waistbands. They're super helpful and they are flattering. There are no pockets on this one, so just keep that in mind. The pattern just continues all the way through, so I really like this. I think it's a very like chic outfit. And then this is the top. This is what it looks like. Very cute. I love the wider straps, and the back here is stretchy. So everything here is stretchy, so that's really nice. And it does have this ribbon that you can tie around in the back and make like a little bow, so that would look really cute. Just a little bow in the back. Again, a very, very comfortable outfit. So I feel like this one is a very date night outfit. You can definitely dress this up and put on some like black heels, or dress it down with some black flats or sandals. The outfit I just showed you is more of like a day date outfit. That one is super fun, casual, but dressy at the same time. But this one, it gives me a little bit more dressy vibes, so definitely like a nighttime dinner outfit. So yeah, I really, really like this one. And the vibrant like maroon color, just like there's something about any shade of red that just like pops. So next up we have a pair of Bermuda shorts. Definitely something I wore as a kid and as a preteen. So I love these types of shorts because I've never been one for like short shorts or anything like that. It's just not particularly my style. I'm not comfortable in it. I don't like showing off too much of my legs. So if you are someone like me that doesn't like wearing really short shorts, or just you don't like short skirts or shorts in general, this is a really good option for you because it is going to keep you cooler than some like heavyweight denim Bermuda shorts, because this one is stretchy and it is on the lighter side. So this one isn't super duper light. Like the material is somewhere between light and medium, which is nice because I feel like it holds you in a little bit more nicely that way when it's like a medium thick material. But again, super comfortable, super stretchy. I love the way this fits. I don't feel constricted in it. It does have a button and a zipper detail here, and the hoops here do work. So if you want to pair a belt with this, you can definitely pair a belt with this. It's plain all the way around, so you can pretty much pair any top with this because there's not a lot going on here. There's pretty much nothing going on here, which I like. I personally don't like the look of very over distressed denim. I like the look of subtle denim or light distressing. So I really, really like this one because there is no distressing on this, but Shein has a lot of options if you want something with a little distressing, or even if you like more distressing, like you like a lot of distressing on your clothing items, they have a bunch of these. So yeah, I really, really like this one. Pretty much any top will go with this. You can make this a dressy outfit with a more dressy top like the one I showed you, or you can just wear a tank top and some sandals with this and you would be good to go. So this is the last item I have to show you guys. You're probably like, what is this? But this is a Halter Top Dress. I love the tie-dye print. I think this is very, very fun. This is something I would wear with this denim jacket. Like I would just pretty much pair it like that and wear it that way. So this again definitely reminds me of something my sisters would have worn. Super cute. I love it. The material on this one is very soft. It's lightweight. It's stretchy. I love when dresses have like a nice little print on them because I struggle with my stomach area. So when I find an item with some print on it, I find it helpful when trying to conceal my mommy pooch a little bit. So I really like this dress. I love the little neckline, so you would just tie that part around your neck. This is what the back of the dress looks like. So if you want to try a little trendy dress, then definitely try this one. This one goes down to my knees, so it's a pretty great length as well. So nothing super short. You guys know I really don't show that many super short items, so yeah, I really like this dress. So that wraps up this Shein haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. A huge thank you again to Shein for sending over these pieces to me. You guys know I love Shein, and also there's always a coupon code. They're very affordable. You're not going to pay anything ridiculous for their items, and a lot of these items are really good quality. I've had a few items that I purchased last year that I still have to this day that I do wear often, so I definitely recommend Shein because price is great, clothes are great, they're super cute. If you want trendy pieces at an affordable price, Shein is your place to go. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you stick around for future videos. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.